Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5079473 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update in Windows Settings, and then over here you can see pause option. Hit pause over here, and once it is paused, now you can resume the updates and then you can check. So now click on resume updates and then check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. And then you can go back to Windows Update, and then if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 11. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079473 over here, and then click on search. Now over here, first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case the version is 25H2, and then check your system type. So open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and then here in my case the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, Windows 11 version 25H2 x64. Now click on download, and here you can see KB5079473. So click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. Still not working. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.